In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to hide or remove the image here in your search bar. So without any further ado, let's begin. So first things first, we need to bring up our settings. So how we can do so, navigate at the button search bar here and type for settings. Once you're done typing, please wait until a best match would appear before we can proceed. Once it's here, please click on this open option to continue. You can also press Windows key and I key together. In that way, you would be able to bring up the settings window. So from here, please navigate to the left pane of it where you can see a list of the options such as system, Bluetooth and devices, network and internet, and more. And since we're dealing with the removing or with the hiding of this picture that is being attached on the search bar, then we need to navigate to privacy and security, which is being placed at the second to the last option next to accessibility. So under here, you need to scroll down and you can see that the private security is being composed of three components that are security, Windows permissions, and app permissions. So we need to go with Windows permissions. There you can see the search permissions, which contains the safe search, cloud content search, and search history. So click on it and please scroll down on the list and you can see there are more settings which contains they show search highlights. So all you need to do is you need to turn it off, and in that way you would be able to remove the picture because that picture actually show search highlights in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Okay, so it gives you content suggestions in the search box or in the search home that you can go with. Okay, so once you have turned it off, you can now close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.